Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today I come to you as my alter ego, the Wordy Witch, to share with you my review of a book that I have recently read from one of my favourite pagan authors, Lucya Starza. However, rather than being a book of spells or rituals as so many of her other books are, this is in fact Lucya's first novel. It began when we found the bones, or did it? Perhaps it really began before then. I'll go back further, wind time back through that summer to June 1987. I was 21, had just left university with my degree in literature, and I was going to write a book. So, Erosion of friendship, dreams, and the edge of a cliff is one woman's recount of her time living on the English coast back in 1987, the year of the Great Storm. The story is told from the point of view of Alison, a perhaps unreliable narrator, and she is also a writer herself. She takes us back with her to her first summer after university, living on the Kent coast, where she hopes to write her first novel. Here on the Kent coast, she meets a ragtag group of bohemian friends. But as the summer goes on, the wind begins to change, and their friendships are put to the test. Obviously, I don't want to give the story away, but I will say I was really sucked into these friends' lives. They were wonderfully rounded. And although there were a couple of times where I felt like yelling at them and wanted to throw the book in frustration, I guess that just makes them more believable. Because just like real people, they too make mistakes. Another fun aspect of the way that the book is written is that every chapter is named after an 80s pop song, which provides a wonderful Easter egg soundtrack to the book once you notice it. And of course, it will be remiss of me not to mention that although not a book of spells and magic, this book does still touch on the magic and the mystical. And coming from an author of so many magical books previously, this magic is dealt with in a very grounded fashion, but is no less spooky at times than the most Hollywood of productions. At its heart, this is a modern Gothic tale of personal relationships and the hand that fate plays in all of our lives. So, do go and give this book a try. I read it so quickly. I could not wait to get to the end and find out what happened. It is listed as $10.99, although you may find it cheaper in other places. It is published by Moon Books and is available from all good book retailers. I will pop some links down below. I will also link down below to Lucya's own YouTube channel. She has done a little review of this book herself, and in it she talks a bit about her process of writing this, how she began writing it during lockdown, and she talks about the inspirations for the book, which I won't go into here. You can go and watch her video to find out about that. So do support the writers that I'm sharing with you on this channel, please. It means so much to me and to them, I'm sure. Thank you to Moon Books for sending me this copy. I absolutely loved it, and it can't wait to read more of Lucya's work. And in fact, I do have one of her spell books coming up in a future review video for you. So thank you for joining me today. I do hope that you've enjoyed this review. If you have, please consider leaving a like, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already, become a member of the Crafty Coven. And until next time, stay crafty.